Hello, class.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Have you completed your test now? Okay. Did you all finish? Did you all finish?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet, sir.
Okay.
Not yet,
It
sir.
has been 25 minutes. So it is a kind of reminder for you, yeah, that next time when you are doing the second sections of the TOEFL test, the segmented time should be only 25 minutes and it must be all done. If not, you will have no more time to do the reading better. Okay, now let's have a look at our answers. In average, until what items can you do it? Number 20, number 30, in average. Number 36, rata-rata sudah selesai sampai nomor berapa? No answer?
Yang TOEFL review tes 6 udah selesai.
Oh ya. Intinya adalah 25 menit untuk mengerjakan 40 soal. Oke. Ya. Nanti kita lihat jumlah betulnya seluruhnya, kita koreksi bersama-sama. Nah, besok kalau ada waktunya itu kurang, tetap semua soal harus diberi jawaban ya, karena tidak ada nilai penalti dari kesalahan yang dijawabkan. Oke, now we will start with number 1. Nanti tolong dihitung sendiri masing-masing jumlah betulnya. Dan boleh Anda nanti setelah mengoreksi jumlah betulnya bisa di-share ke WA saya atau ke grup saja boleh. Kalau tidak, nggak apa-apa, karena ini hanya untuk melihat atau memetakan seberapa baik Anda sudah mengerjakan bagian kedua dari TOEFL yang structure. Okay, now we start with the correction. I will read to make the checking faster, and you give your answer. Question number 1. The red deer is a playful animal, blah, 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 the American elk. The best answer is? Answer, please.
Sorry, sir. Disubmit enggak, sir?
Bisa apa?
Disubmit enggak hasilnya?
Nggak usah, kita koreksi sama-sama aja. Kalau misalnya disubmit, anu aja, hasil jumlah betulnya.
Oh, oke.
Lewat WA nggak apa-apa. Oke?
Oke.
Ya. Number 1, what is the best answer?
Si, sir.
Hah?
C.
C. Oke, directly related to. C, betul. Number 2. Sally Ride participated in launching Canadian communication satellite and blah blah pharmaceuticals. The best answer is?
Si, sir.
C.
C. Nah, Charlie lagi ya. Di sana ada in launching and conducting, ada parallel structure. Okay. Continue with number 3. Various regions of North America, blah, 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 of European colonies who spoke mostly English, Spanish, or French. The best answer is?
A.
A. Have retained the languages. Correct, yeah, A. Number 4. Divisions means, blah, blah, into smaller equal groups. Number 4. C, yeah, breaking up a number. Betul. Number 5. Market research investigation is the formulation of a problem that a client blah 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 blah. 5.
A.
Delta.
Ya, yang lebih tepat yang
A.
delta.
Delta.
A client seeks to solve. Number 6. In the early 18th century, Philadelphia and Boston were blah blah New York, which continued to grow rapidly in the next century. The best answer is bravo. Yeah. Number 7. Farmers grows oats to feed cattle. Blah 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 blah.
A, sir.
Yeah, and sell ya. To feed and sell. Okay. Alpha. Number 8. Pigment mixed with water does not dissolve but remains blah 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 blah.
A,
8.
Delta.
Delta. Okay. Remains suspended to form paint. Ini correct number 8 delta. Number 9. Ralph De Palma, a pioneer American race driver, preferred matches against blah blah to open competition. Number 9.
Bravo.
Another
B.
driver. Bravo. Yeah, another driver. Number 10. When one party arranges for a position in court, all involved blah 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 blah. 10. All involved, semua yang terlibat harus diberitahu. Yang mana?
B,
Bravo, ya, bravo. Must be notified. Ya. 11. Alcohol, generally considered as depressant, decrease essential blah 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 blah.
C,
Ya, decrease essential brain functions. C, Charlie, 11C. 12. Cooperatives owned by the people who use their services sell goods produced by their members or purchase blah 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 blah.
A,
Yeah, A, directly from farmers. Number 13. Mark Coggle's dreamlike paintings and blah 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 come from his recollections of childhood images and mementos.
C, sir.
Ya, ini a dreamlike painting and
C,
no brilliant coloring. Nah, paintings and brilliant coloring yang bravo 13.
okay.
Okay. 14. Racialism as a philosophical trend was based on the idea
C,
C.
14 based on the idea. Bravo yang benar. Sorry, nomor 14 C ya. That reason is superior to experience. 14 C. Oke, 14 C. 15. Rudolf Nureyev became recognized and admired for his stage activity and A. Impressive dance technique. Yeah, that's number 1 to number 15. Continue to part 2. Number 16. Balm, which grown in damp and shady woodlands, is a tall fragrant herbs of the main species, which does not read English. 16. Any idea? Which does not read English. Mana yang nggak sesuai untuk bahasa Inggris dalam kalimat ini? A, B, C, or D?
C, sir.
Hah?
C,
C. Coba Anda lihat yang A, fokus A. Kenapa A tidak sesuai?
Growth.
Ayo, growth kan verb 3, kan nggak bisa dipakai. Langsung kata kerja verb 3. Harus ada be sebelumnya toh untuk pasif.
Yeah.
Atau
Ya,
have
harus
atau harus be atau have atau has sebelum verb 3 toh?
Yeah.
Nah, ya di sini kan balm which kalau ini present ya which are grown in them. Nah, begitu. Kalau ini balmnya adalah tunggal ya which is grown in them gitu. Jadi E yang salah. Jadi pilihlah A. 16A. 17. Banks store cash in fireproof safes insured against fire, robberies, floods, theft, and natural disaster.
Delta.
Delta, correct ya. Ini walaupun ada countable, uncountable, tapi yang countable dibentuk plural, ada robberies, floods, maka juga disasters, ya, D. Numbers 18. During the Middle Ages, riddles were composed of foods and became a form of entertainment and art. Yeah. The answer is?
Saya B, sir.
Ada yang lain? Ya, betul ya, B ya. During the Middle Ages, riddles were composed of, bukan quotes tapi
Putri.
poetry, ya. Bukan orang tapi produknya atau puisinya. 19. Rainwater carries unused chemicals from fields into streams or lakes, where various compounds promote the rate of growth of wheat. 19.
Delta.
Delta, ya, rate of growth. Kata benda harusnya di sini, ya, growth. 20. Nuclear reactors produce energy by split the atom in the target material into two nearly equal parts. Which one does not read English?
B.
B, by splitting. Ya, jadi ini by splitting. Number 21. Clifford Odets play Waiting for Lefty ranks among the most important works whom deal with the struggle of the working class, which does not read English.
C.
C, betul. Jadi untuk works bukan whom tapi
U.
bukan, ini works. The most
Which.
important work, which atau that boleh, tapi bukan whom. Ya,
Yeah.
C. 22. To enjoy an opera fully, the listener should be familiar with the summary of the plot, particularly if the opera is singing in a foreign language.
Delta.
Ya, ya, harusnya yang past participle, bukan yang present. Ini kan present pakai ing. Is sung ya, pasif.
Yeah.
In 1968, the US government effort to control wages and prices to halt inflation had little effect.
E.
Check again.
Kamu tuh ada tahunnya, sir.
Which one?
So verbnya must be verb to.
Yang bravo apa yang E?
E.
Apa sih ini kata kerjanya? Di kalimat ini kata kerja utamanya yang mana? Effort?
Had, sir, I think.
Betul, yang head ya. Jadi government effort tuh subjeknya. Sampai wages ya. Sampai inflation malah. Oke, coba dibaca. Sampai inflation ya. Government effort to control wages and prices to halt inflation had little effect. Nah, itu. Jadi ada yang salah antara A, B, dan C, yang mana?
C.
To halt itu menghentikan loh.
Oh.
B berarti, sir.
Ya, itu paling kan juga sering muncul toh. Controls,
iya.
yang computers apa itu, ya kan? Jadi yang depan benda yang memberi keterangan tidak usah pakai plural, ya. Jadi B yang salah. 24. Annie Oakley learned to shoot at the age of 8 and helped to support the family for hunting for a hotel restaurant. 24. Delta, bukan for hunting tapi Tuhan. Ya. 25. English is the official language of New Zealand and when spoken throughout the country, while Maurice Mawis ya, Mawis. Speak their own language.
B, sir.
Bravo.
Bravo, okay. English is the official language of the New Zealand and ya tidak usah pakai when ya, when spoken throughout country. Ya. Number 26. Cumulative rhymes repeat the informations and the wording in earlier verses that continue for 7 to 12 cycles. Mudah ini?
E.
Ya, information itu selalu uncountable, enggak pernah ada bentuk pluralnya, enggak ada s-nya. Oke, 7. Animals inhabiting the sea bottom can be carried the weight of the water because it buoys them.
Delta.
Delta. It buoys them. Buoys itu mengangkat atau mengambang.
Kalau animals-nya plural, sir.
Animals-nya plural. Ya, animals. Tapi itu kan ada ekspresi because, bukan because of ya. Because diikuti dengan subject verb dah. Subjeknya setelah because itu it. It has no matter with singular verb voice, right? Yang bermasalah yang B. Coba dibaca betul. Animals can be carried atau can carry. Nah, jadi yang bermasalah yang bravo. 27. Ya. Can carry, bukan can be carried. 28. Making a photographic print required paper coated with high sensitive chemicals that react to special solution.
B, sir.
B, okay, making a photographic print requires. Ya. 9. Cabbage and lettuce have such a short stems and broad leaves that they appear to have no stems at all. 9.
Delta.
Delta. Harusnya apa kalau delta? Ini cabbage and lettuce lah ya. Have. Berarti dianggap compound subject toh. Ada have. Kata kerjanya betul itu. Cabbage and lettuce. Have. Plural.
Charlie.
That they appear. They subjeknya appear. No problem, right? They appear. Yang salah. Kenapa salah?
Short.
Ya, karena untuk plural tidak butuhkan sebagai artikel. Short stems and broad leaves. Jadi yang menjadi salah kecil itu tapi menjadi itulah pilihannya. Jadi pilihlah nomor 29. Number 30. Plowing reduces the height of the upper 6 to 16 inches of the earth crust and allows air movement into the gaps between soil particles.
E.
Ya, itu salah part of speech ya, salah jenis kata. The heart itu bukan kata benda. Harusnya the heart, kata bendanya heart apa? Ini kan heart, adjektif lah.
Kekerasan.
Kekerasan apa in English? Ya, pokoknya kalau memberi kata akhiran untuk benda itu kalau nggak ment, ya ness atau sip gitu kan? Atau apa? Mungkin yang ini mungkin hardness ya. Tapi yang jelas hard salah. 31. In basic terms, all communication is a process of exchange information, imparting thoughts and ideas, and attempting to make sense of understood by listeners or readers. Gampang ini. Ya, 31.
B.
Bravo ya, karena belakangnya imparting, attempting, ya. Kok di sini exchange, harusnya exchanging. Bravo. Just bravo. Number 32. Iron and steel are rigid in the solid state and need to be melting when they are to be reshaped into new forms.
C.
Ya, need to be melted. Bukan melting. Oke. 33. Porous filters of partial can remove dust particles from the air if it is directed through them in a steady stream. 33?
Saya D, Sir.
Ya, betul. D. Bukannya D itu salah karena apa? Harusnya bukan adverbial tapi adjective ya. A steady stream. 34. The sender places stamps on packages as proof that postage for mailing an envelope or a package has paid.
Delta.
Delta. Oke, not has paid tapi apa? Has been paid. 35. Potash were originally obtained by running water through wood ashes and boiling the solution in cast iron pot.
Nah, ini bingung, Sir. D.
Nah, yang mana? Was originally obtained, betul ya? By running, betul. And boiling, running and boiling. Berarti yang terakhir berarti salah.
D.
Walaupun mungkin nggak tahu secara benerkannya, tapi D berarti salah. Gitu kan? Karena yang depan was already benar, by running benar, by boiling benar. Ya ini yang salah harusnya koreksinya cast iron buat kata sifat. Kata sifat ya, iron pot. 6. The earth gravitational force of a given mass accords matter, weight, and diminish as an object moves away from the center of the earth. 36.
C.
Ya, ini kan present ya untuk tunggal. Force, gravitational force, accords and diminishes. C. 37. Alan Pinkerton organized groups of armed citizens whose services were available to employers for a daily fee to breaking labor strikes.
Delta.
37. Oke, delta ya. Not to breaking, tapi to break saja. 8. The Bureau of Labor Statistics found that few as 14% of executive write their own memos, letters, and speeches. Right?
B, Sir.
Ya, bukan US ya, tapi B salah. Oke, just B. 39. Real estate law holds that not one may legally plan or remove plants of any kind without permission of the landowner.
E.
Ya, bukan not one tapi no
one.
Atau none ya, no one.
Yeah.
40. National income is defined as the total income earned but not necessarily received by all persons live in a country during a period of time.
Delta ya, Sir.
Ya, delta. Ini kan present tense. Dan ini delta ini bukan kata kerja utama, harusnya kan dalam bentuk verb ing yang tinggal ya, living in. Nah, kalau pakai bentuk lengkap ya who lives in. Okay, so 40 is D. Now, you may count your total correct number and you may report to me. Okay. Ada yang 40 soal betul semua?
Wah, dapat
Enggak, Sir.
Oke, coba antara 35 sampai 40 soal betul semua. Ada yang punya total correct number 35 to 40, mungkin yang masuk 36, 37, 38, 39. Ada?
dapat hadiah, Sir.
Hadiahnya doa agar sukses hidupmu. Itu lebih dari sekedar uang.
Yes.
Saya jadi teringat cerita dari Yon Kuswoyo, penyanyi Kus Plus itu. Pernah satu kali di masa lalu itu tahun 60-an diundang, tapi tidak dibayar oleh si pengundang. Hampir marah, tapi karena si pengundang mengatakan saya akan memberikan upah doa, itu malah jadi bersyukur. Habis itu terus booming, terkenal. Si Kus Plus sampai sekarang nggak ada matinya. Nggak ada matinya. Jadi doa itu lebih mahal daripada uang. Oke, saya doakan kalau yang lebih 35 hidupnya sukses dunia akhirat lahir batin. Ada?
Nggak ada, Sir.
Nggak ada. Kalau 30 sampai 35?
Ada, Sir.
Ada, bagus. Jadi targetnya memang ya minimal lah 30 dari 40 soal itu bisa benar agar skor TOEFL Anda bisa mencapai 550 ke atas ya harapan saya. Kalau 500 sudah cukup. Beda dengan TOEIC. Kalau TOEIC itu 500 itu nggak cukup sebetulnya. Karena apa? Total converted score kalau TOEIC itu bisa mencapai 900 lebih. Kalau TOEFL kan hanya 600 something. Jadi kalau dapat 500 sudah bagus. Tapi kalau TOEFL kok dapat 500, TOEIC kok dapat 500 itu masih hanya baru 50%. Karena kalau jumlah total semua benar bisa mencapai 900-an. Jadi kalau you mau mencoba ya apply to Bu Ismi, mau mencoba tes IET Bu, itu boleh. Nanti laporkan hasilnya pada saya. Kalau misalnya ada yang mencoba dan hasilnya ternyata lebih dari 550 atau 500, kan kita sepakat dulu 500 baru bisa A ya. Boleh, nanti skornya saya langsung konfirmasi menjadi skor A untuk di akhir ujian kelas semester kita ini. Is it okay?
Oke, Sir.
Nah, intinya kita telah mempelajari banyak namanya kalau ini kita sebut reinforcement ya sebetulnya ya. Jadi atau refreshment dari yang pernah kita tahu. Karena nggak ada yang baru sebetulnya, tergantung dari pengetahuan kita. Ya, semoga hari ini bermanfaat untuk hidup kita walaupun kita belajar sedikit. Kita lanjutkan belajar kita besok hari Senin dengan sharing topik-topik yang baru. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining the class. See you again next Monday.
Thank you, Sir. Thank you. See you.
You're welcome. See you.
Thank you, sir. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. See you. Have a nice day.